It might be difficult to distinguish between the various features and specs that high-quality dash cams offer because there are so many of them on the market. How can you decide with so many possibilities accessible to you? Which one would be ideal for you in terms of delivering a high-quality product? In this video, we compare the top 5 best dashcam available in 2022 based on their cost versus performance and the scenarios in which they will be used. Every price range of products will be examined. We'll have a choice for you whether you're seeking for the best deal or the best of the best and have a few extra dollars to spare. Stay tuned if you're interested in learning which dashcam is best for you. First up, the VANTRUE N2 Pro is our top pick for great front and inside dashcam. The VANTRUE N2 Pro is a dual dashcam that will record both what is happening inside your car and what is happening on the road, making it the perfect choice for rideshare drivers. The N2 Pro has a 1.5-inch LCD monitor, full HD cameras, and a suction cup mount that allows it to be mounted to your windshield without blocking your vision. In low light, the front lens does a decent job of capturing images, and a secondary lens facing the inside is backed up. It includes a variety of IR LEDs to illuminate the interior during recording, ensuring that you always receive high-quality video whether it's day or night. You can activate the parking mode on the N2 Pro when you park your vehicle and leave it alone. When enabled, the front and inside cameras will detect motion and begin recording automatically. However, for this to work, you must provide a steady power source, either by hardwiring the dashcam to your vehicle's power supply or using an external power bank. A dual camera system on the VANTRUE N2 Pro is an excellent option for rideshare drivers because it gives you the chance to record argumentative passengers or other scenarios and can help you avoid being found at fault by allowing you to show that you weren't using your phone when you were pulled over. Next up, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, our pick for the best extra-wide dashcam. With its extra-wide shooting angles, it captures more details of the road ahead and around you, including items off the side and road signs. The dashcam is small enough to place behind your rearview mirror and has a covert black plastic casing, which, when mounted, almost eliminates detection. The wide-angle 180-degree lens captures images in 1440p with HDR capability, giving you improved clarity in low light. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, which will be covered in more detail later in the video, offers a 140-degree field of vision and a stealthy mini design for a bit less money. When it comes to communicating with the 67W, you have a few alternatives. Use the Garmin Drive app or the side-mounted buttons on the camera's body, or use voice commands. The camera uses the built-in G sensor and records in loop mode to save any footage that includes impacts of any kind. Videos can be automatically uploaded over Wi-Fi to the private Garmin Vault to be viewed later or stored to the 16GB microSD card that comes with the device. The safety features operate well and make good use of the 2-inch display, turning red to warn of a forward collision, yellow when you drift out of your lane, and making an alert sound when you fail to follow guidelines. Parking mode is also available on the 67W, however, it must be configured by hardwiring. When motion is detected in your unattended car, parking mode will begin recording. If you want a compact dashcam that you can take wide-angle video and has a great set of safety features, the Garmin Dash Cam 67W is an excellent choice. The VANTRUE DC1000 is a recommendation for the best dashcam for most people. The VANTRUE DC1000, like the VANTRUE N2 Pro, is a dual dashcam system that monitors both the front and rear. It complements the front-facing camera with the convenience of a backup camera and provides an excellent combination of affordability and performance. The front-facing camera has a metal body shell and magnetically mounts to your windshield, whereas the backup camera mounts in the area of the license plate. Power for the front-facing camera is tapped from a vehicle cigarette lighter or other power point, and power for the rear camera is tapped off one of the reverse light terminals due to intermittent use. As a result, it is only operational when the vehicle is in reverse. The package includes all the wire required to connect both cameras. The front-facing camera includes a 3.16-inch color LCD touchscreen and a 150-degree wide-angle lens with a sensor that shoots 2K video, and the rear camera catches full HD video. The footage is saved to a microSD card that you supply, and cards with capacities ranging from 8 to 128GB are available. The DC1000, like most dash cameras, offers G-sensor compatibility and a parking mode with a continuous power supply. The verratek DC1000 is an excellent choice for most people searching for a low-cost dashcam system that covers both the front and rear of the vehicle. The installation is simple and everything you need is included in the package. Simply insert a microSD card. If you found this video useful, please help the channel by giving it a thumbs up and telling us which product piqued your interest in the comment section below. Next up, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, our pick for best mini dashcam. If you're looking for the best mini dashcam, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is an excellent choice. It boasts a 140-degree HDR enhanced field of view for crisp detail day and night, and its small size won't obstruct your vision. The Mini 2 is about the size of a key fob, but don't be deceived by its small size. It has all the expected safety features such as crash detection and parking guard, and the Mini 2 will save a video to the online Garmin Vault if an incident is detected. When you're not in your car, the Mini 2 Live View features allows you to keep an eye on it via your smartphone. A little sticky pad serves as a mounting surface and may be placed almost anywhere on your windshield. The camera includes a dual USB charger. That is, even if your vehicle only has one power outlet, you can charge your phone while the Mini 2 records. Because there is no display on the camera itself, you can also change all the Mini 2 settings using the Garmin's driving app. The software is well designed and simple to use, and it allows you to store video, take a still image, load a live stream, and submit saved films to the Garmin Vault. The image quality is good with balanced color, and the video is shot in full HD utilizing a 140-degree lens which performs well even in low light circumstances. The built-in microphone picks up sounds well and can understand voice commands even while music is playing at medium volume. If you want an extremely mini dash cam with a solid feature set, the Garmin Mini 2 dash cam is a great option. It's simple to install and won't get in your way once it's done. Finally, the Thinkware U1000 Dual Dash Cam, our pick for the best 4K dash cam and best overall dash cam. The Thinkware U1000 takes a twin dash cam system like the VANTRUE N2 Pro and increases the resolution if you want the best. The U1000 has a ton of features and a slick clean design that once installed makes it look like a factory equipment. With the U1000's amazing night vision technology and clear 4K video, you can capture stunning low light footage on dark roads or in parking lots. Cameras in the front and back of your vehicle capture everything that occurs in front of you as well as inside. Therefore, it's a useful tool for rideshare drivers much like the VANTRUE N2 Pro. A 150-degree wide-angle lens and 8.42-megapixel Sony sensor are used in the front-facing camera to reduce blind spots and capture more of the road. A 5.1-megapixel Sony sensor is used in the back camera, which has a 156-degree field of view and shoots in 2K. The U1000 has a micro SD card slot on the side that is easily accessible for storing recordings, and a 32GB card is provided. The U1000 is designed to look like it came with your car when it left the factory. A 12-volt connection is provided for hardwiring to your vehicle's electrical system, and the front camera mounts to your windshield using 3M tape. The control panel has buttons for the microphone, the power for the Wi-Fi, and indicators for the GPS. Additionally, there is a manual record button to start on the spot recording, and because this dashcam is hardwired, parking mode can be used without a separate power source. When parking mode is on, the U1000 detects motion and begins recording to catch any prospective burglaries or theft attempts. Red light and speed cameras are also picked up. The Thinkware U1000 is a great option if you're searching for the best 4K dual dashcam, especially if you drive for ride-sharing services, in addition to high-quality, wide-angle recording. Once fitted, the camera comes with a factory installed and has all the normal capabilities such as G-sensor parking mode and even red light and speed camera recognition. Okay guys, that's all I have to say. If you like this video, please click the like button. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel and you enjoyed the video. Have a great day and we'll see you around again soon.